The story of the cruel teacher. In a small village, there was a school where children came to study. The school was small, but the villagers hoped that this beacon of education would change their children's future. However, there was one teacher at the school whom all the children called the cruel teacher. His name was Akbar. He was an expert at teaching, but his temper was terrible. For even the smallest mistake, he would beat the children mercilessly. The innocent little children came to school every day in fear. Often, if a child didn't do their homework, Akbar would punish them severely in front of everyone. The children would tremble with fear. Some even considered dropping out of school. The parents, too, were afraid of the teacher's harshness and did not dare to say anything. In the same school, there was a boy named Ali. Ali was very intelligent and gentle by nature. One day, he forgot to do his homework. The next day at school, when the teacher found out, he scolded Ali in front of everyone and started beating him severely. Ali's eyes filled with tears, but he said nothing. When Ali went home, his mother saw the marks on his face and asked, "Son, what happened?" Ali replied, "Mom, the teacher hit me. I just made a mistake." His mother's heart ached, but she encouraged her son, "Son, cruelty doesn't last forever. The days of those who have patience also change." Time passed. Ali made a firm resolve in his heart that he would work hard to show everyone that cruelty and harshness cannot break a person. He started studying with all his heart. He studied day and night, prayed, and worked hard. Years passed. Ali came first in the district in a major examination. When the results came out, all the villagers rejoiced. The school celebrated. The same cruel teacher who used to beat Ali was now applauding his success in front of everyone. But in a corner of his heart, the teacher was ashamed. He thought, "This is the same child whom I once hit with cruel hands, and today he has become an example for all the children." One day, the teacher called Ali aside and said, "Son, Ali, please forgive me. I thought that harshness was the way to teach, but you have proven that love and encouragement are the real power." Ali smiled and said, "Sir, I have forgiven you from my heart. If you hadn't been so strict, perhaps I wouldn't have worked so hard, but remember, love is the true knowledge." From that day on, the teacher abandoned his harshness. He began to teach the children with love. All the villagers were surprised that the cruel teacher had now become the children's greatest well-wisher. Moral of the story. This story teaches us that cruelty and harshness may temporarily make a person bow down, but true success is achieved through love, patience, and hard work. If a teacher teaches with love, students have the power to change the world.